Make Windows 10 recognize Bluetooth dongle as Bluetooth. I stumbled across a 6-pin header on my motherboard designed for an internal Bluetooth module that uses USB protocols to communicate, and ended up making the actual cable that allowed me to place the dongle inside the laptop. The dongle is this URL. Now, Windows 10 has some neat new features for integrated Bluetooth modules, like from the Action Center and special connection menus for audio devices. Despite the fact that I'm using the specified Bluetooth module port, Windows 10 doesn't recognize it as a Bluetooth radio, just as another USB device, and I'm stuck with the installed driver's annoying menus and a hole in my Action Center.
This is what I have discovered from experimenting over a long time. For Windows GUI Bluetooth features to activate, there cannot be any other installed drivers or interfaces. For me in my case, Windows didn't activate the features until I had uninstalled the stock drivers, CSR wireless stack. Basically, Windows needs to be using the generic Bluetooth radio drivers for the features to be activated. So for those looking to make Windows recognize their USB Bluetooth dongles, try uninstalling the drivers.
I'm using a similar Bluetooth dongle from the same brand, Orico BTA403 and Windows 10. In my case, I had to do this. 1. Turn on Bluetooth Windows services. Open Windows Services, run services.msc or search for services on Windows Search. Change the Bluetooth hands-free service and the Bluetooth support service to automatic, on properties, and start them. 2. Uninstall the Bluetooth driver that comes with the device. When you connect the device, the driver gets installed automatically. Go to Device Manager, right-click on Start menu and choose Device Manager or search for Device Manager. Find your device on the list. My device was on Universal Serial Bus Devices, I think, named CSR8510A10. Right-click, choose Uninstall, and remember to choose Delete the driver software for this device. I tried without this and it did not work. After that, it started to work. You may need to remove the dongle and insert it again, or to restart the computer after step 2, but if I recall correctly, it started to work right after step 2 for me.
Asus ZenBook 425EA. The Bluetooth just disappeared suddenly one day while I was using it. What worked for me was Open Device Manager. Under Universal Serial Bus Controllers, there was one device with a yellow warning icon called Unknown USB Device. Device descriptor request failed. I did right-click is greater than disable device, then right-click is greater than enable device. When I did that, the Bluetooth immediately came back online. It might be related to the laptop going into hibernate mode.
Do you want to support the channel? Please consider liking and subscribing.